Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add text over images on Carrd.co. Adding text over images in Carrd is a simple way to make your website more engaging and visually appealing. To start, open your Carrd editor and select the section where you want the image. You can either add a new image element or use a background image inside a container for better layering control. Now, click the plus button and select Gallery. So here, you can add as many images you want by clicking on the Add button. Next, you're going to click on Upload and select an image from your gallery. Resize it to the way you want and click on Accept. Then, under the Caption section, you're going to write the text you want to be displayed over the image. By clicking on Appearance right next to Gallery, go to Captions and select the style of the text you want it to be. You can then customize the text by adjusting the font size, alignment, spacing, and color. For better readability, consider adding an overlay or reducing the image brightness so the text stands out clearly. You can also upload a second image from your gallery and do the same process. Once you're done with the layout and the overall image, you can click on Done. This technique is commonly used for hero sections, banners, and call to action areas, helping you create a clean, modern design while keeping your message front and center. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.